eh. Alam po ba ninyo yung nagme-memorize nung high school kayo? Alam nyo pa paano? Alam nyo pa paano mag-memorize yung inuulit-ulit ninyo yung sinasabi ninyo? O ito, pakinggan po ninyo ha. Minsan kasi nakakalimutan nyo yung minemorize nyo eh.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Thank you once again. It's a very great pleasure to be with you, to meet with you once again.
Makita po ninyo dito si Gibo, kinakabahan si Gibo. Kinakabahan, baka magkamali si Bongbong Marcos o kaya baka alam nyo na mag-collapse. So,
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Thank you once again. It's a very great pleasure to be with you, to meet with you once again after your visit to us in Manila. It was the visit. Turns out your visit to Manila became a very strong.
Tingnan nyo si Gibo. Tapos biglang tumingin si Anyo. Sabi ko, ayusin mo. Yung pinaraktis ka namin.
Message, very symbolic message, all the continuing part.